Welcome back, War Mobile community. In this video, I'm going to explain how to reserve one or more War Mobile Earth nodes. Let's get started. This is how the main screen of our vault will look like. We are in the sheet of Earth nodes. As you already know, to be able to reserve an Earth node, it is necessary to have an address with at least 100,000 War Mobile tokens. But in this example, we will have 200,000 War Mobile tokens because we are going to reserve 2 Earth nodes. In order to do so, we need to verify addresses. At the moment, we only have one right here, which is the one we participate in the DGE. So we have to add and verify the second address. On this screen, we can also see the Earth nodes that have already been reserved by other people. In this example, there are 2 other people who have already reserved it. Now we are going to add a new address so that later we can reserve the second Earth node. But I suggest that the first thing you should do is to reserve the first Earth node before creating the second address. However, in this example, we are going to do it step by step like this, and we're going to add the address as I mentioned. The process is very simple. We add our address and click Add Address. Here we're going to get a very important notice. You can only add a new unused address with no ADA and no War Mobile token. Basically, it has to be an unused UTXO. Once the address has been added, we have to complete the proof of ownership in order to validate our address. For this step, we need to send a small amount of ADA, and it must be the exact amount that was indicated. Please keep in mind that this amount is unique for each user. Also remember that with this transaction, you can send your 100,000 War Mobile tokens for the second Earth node reservation. Now we have completed the proof of ownership process, and both addresses are verified with 100,000 War Mobile tokens and ready for Earth node reservation. Press Reserve Now. We see another reminder here that the address can be used for staking in the public pool or for Earth node reservation, but not both at the same time. Reservation of the first node is completed, and now it is active. In this example, we are the third node of the system. As you can see in the white paper, for the third node, you will be rewarded 94,000 War Mobile tokens after 6 months. Your amount of War Mobile token rewards depend on which position your Earth node were reserved. Now let's reserve the second Earth node. In this example, this node was reserved in the second month. As we can see here, the position of the node is 12th. Let's return to the white paper to check rewards for position 11th to 20th. In this case, we will receive 10,000 War Mobile tokens per month. Please remember that we reserved in the second month, so after 5 months, we will receive 50,000 War Mobile tokens. The total expected rewards for both nodes are 144,000 War Mobile tokens. Let's see what happens if we delete the Earth node. In this case, it is important to mention that the rewards of the Earth nodes are paid only once after 6 months. So if you delete your Earth node before the end of the period, you will lose all your expected rewards. Let's click Yes, Remove. Here we have deleted the second Earth node, and now we have lost the expected rewards. If we wish to reserve it again, we would have to complete the proof of ownership again. Now let's click on Claim Rewards button to see what happens. We got another note informing that the rewards cannot be claimed yet. Those rewards will be claimable from the 11th of April, exactly 6 months since the beginning of the reservations. Finally, in case you have, for example, 150,000 War Mobile tokens and you would like to do early staking with 50,000 War Mobile tokens and also reserve an Earth node with another 100,000 War Mobile tokens. You will have to create a new empty address and complete the proof of ownership as we saw previously. Then, you will have to send 50,000 War Mobile tokens to that new address for staking. and use the first address with 100,000 World Mobile tokens for Earth Node reservation. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please leave me a comment down below or join Telegram group of World Mobile. See you next time.